In today's video, I'll show you how to install and manage mods for Baldur's Gate 3. Check my video description for this mod manager. Right click and select WinRAR and select extract to option. Once extract done, right click on the game and select open file location. Drag and drop this extracted folder inside. And now open the mod manager folder. Open the mod manager.exe and select download and install. Select the runtime. This is required to run this mod manager. Once this installation done, open the mod manager.exe. You need to select the Baldur's Gate root installation folder, select the game folder, and select folder option. And now select this tools tab and select download and extract the script extender and select yes option. Script extender has been installed successfully. Click on OK. And now you can able to install mods. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm going to install this hair collection. Download the hair collection pack you like. Once download done, select this file in mod manager and select import mod option and navigate to downloads and select the mod and select open option. Successfully imported. And now you can able to see the mod name in inactive mods. Just drag and drop this inactive list to active mods list. And now select this file option and select save order option. In select file and select export order to game. Now you can able to play the game with this mod. Launch the game. Once you are in game, in main menu select the mod manager and go to installed. In the mod we added will be listed. As you can see, we had installed the hair collection mod. As you can see, it's checked. And this way you can confirm the mod is successfully installed. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.